Hello, hello. Today's book is You and Me. You and me. I'm a circle. I'm a circle with a kitty. You're a square with a bulldog. Yeah, you're a tiger. Rawr. I'm a bear. Got that honey pot. I'm a valley. Valley. You're a hill. Ooh. You're moving. Ooh, jumping rope. I'm still. Sitting still. I'm wild. You're tame. House cat. Jungle cat. You're sunshine. I'm rain. I'm a tree. You're a flower. Aww. You're a cave. I'm a tower. Woo. I'm hot. Ooh, hot summer sun. Building a very nice sandcastle. Wow. You're cold. Ooh. Hanging out with penguins. Hello. You're young. I'm old. Old man. Nice beard. I'm heavy. Oh, heavy. You're light. Light. You're dark. Ooh. I'm bright. Bright sunshine. I'm a river. You're the sea. Ooh. Diving with a dolphin. You're you. And I'm me.